So this morning we got up early to beat the heat and we took on Ghost Gun Walk, which is a lookout just off the campground at Ormiston Gorge. A good 1.2 k's up to a lookout. Shows you the gorge that we were at yesterday, or part of it. That's Ormiston Gorge down there. West McDonald Ranges through there. Reel's up there having a closer look. But yeah, easy enough walk, lots of stairs. Anyhow, we're at the top. I'll show you where the campground is in relation to where we are. So there's the campground. We're camped in, you can see the caravan through the gap there. That's our little spot. We'll have another night here. We'll take you further that direction. We did ochre pits yesterday. We'll take you down there today. Hopefully it doesn't get as hot as yesterday, but Ormiston Gorge, West McDonald Ranges. We're staying here. It's $10 per person per night, but you also need a parks pass, and it's $10 per day per person. So $30 get you in here for 48 hours, or $40 to get you in here for 48 hours. Again, no water, no power, got to be self-sufficient on that score. But this is Ormiston Gorge. Like I said, we'll be exploring more east today. The only thing west from here is Hermansburg and Hart's Pass, but that's
Kings Canyon.
Kings Canyon, that's 200 odd k's that way. You can complete this walk. It continues across the valley, down across there, and you'll scramble back up the creek. We won't be doing that. We'll walk back on the road or track we came in. Go back on the stairs, I think. Don't feel like clambering through rocks at the moment. Ormiston Gorge, you liking it?
Pretty. Beautiful.
Still haven't seen any wildlife. Kangaroos or anything like that. Anyhow. It'll be a pretty walk.
Down through there.
So here we are, Ellery Creek. Big pond? Big waterhole.
Ellery Creek Big Hole.
Ellery Creek Big Hole. Certainly big. Tea tree stained water. Got here nice and early to beat the heat. First stop after you come off Larapinta Drive into West McDonald Ranges. We'll get Ellery Creek Big Hole. And try the water. Yep. Nice and cool.
It's cool. And somebody forgot their swimmers.
People in swimming already at 9 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful. Well, how it changes on the road.
Yeah.
We were at Ormiston Gorge. We were there for 2 nights. We had no 12 volt for the van. So my ex-boss was is a solar expert in Alice. Tried to go back and have a yarn to him. He wasn't in town. We had no phone reception at Ormiston Gorge. Then we had a fault light on the D-Max come on. Pulled over. I've got a scan tool in the car. Pulled over.
As you know.
Had a look.
It's still nice.
Cleared it. Hasn't come back on again. Executive decision was made. We were push on. Here we are for the night. Colder. About an hour off the South Australia Northern Territory border.
interview tomorrow.
On a powered site, we can
settle back in
charge
and
the 12 volt
then we
up.
don't have to be.
I can chase down what the problem is.
Until we have to be
I can have a look at the scan tool on the D-Max to see what issue that was with, but that's life on the road. It changes at the flip of a coin. Calgary. Here we are, 40 degrees and 6 o'clock at night. It's alright, we're only here for a night, so we'll pull up. I'll do some tinkering, find out what the codes are. If you've had any trouble on the road, drop in the comments and tell us your struggle on the road, because we all say it's not smooth sailing all the way. Things arise, problems happen,
Oh God, that's early.
and that's all part of the trip around Australia. Anyway, from here we'll go to Keepapiti, chase up a few medical things,
Yeah, yeah.
head slowly into South Australia. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Catch you next video.